Hey y'all, welcome back to Chasin Dreams Homestead. Kids, what are we doing?
Going to get Mexican.
What does it take to get to the Mexican, Genesis?
Walk like 10 miles.
Yeah, y'all, hey. So we are going to be pioneers and hike the new Monon South trail from Pekin to Salem. At the end of the line is tacos and beer. Woohoo! So we were not planning to make this into a YouTube video, but young Alex there is along for the trip. We extended the invite to the kids in the community, and only one was bold enough to tackle this adventure with us. So Alex said, I want to be in a YouTube video one day, guys. So that's what we're doing. We're going to chronicle our journey. The pioneers of the Monon South Trail. So back that way towards Pekin's pretty clear. That way towards Salem is getting dark and gloomy. And our buddy Courtney just sent us a video from this direction up in Brownstown, and it's looking like a blizzard at her house. We're hopeful that we get to walk in the blizzard. Crikey. What kind of artifacts have you found, young dill pickle?
A lot.
A lot? Let's see.
This thing.
What the heck is that?
2 railroad spikes and
A bolt. A big bolt. I think the buzzards are waiting for one of these kids to drop. Y'all, the countryside's beautiful along this here trail. Woo-wee! We can't wait for it to get paved and get out here riding the bicycles. Genesis, what was that face for?
This isn't Mexican.
You gotta get to the Mexican. You gotta earn it.
I already did. I woke up this time.
No, that's not how it works.
I got 2 liter of Dr. Pepper.
I know this kid's out here hydrating with Dr. Pepper. Like, who does that? When he catches a cramp later, I'm gonna laugh. A little bit of snow's falling, by the way. It's not a crazy amount. Little flurries, though. That snow's starting to pick up a little bit now, y'all. We're having fun. It's cool because none of us have ever seen the sights from this trail. So as we're walking, we're trying to figure out where we're at along the trail. Y'all hear them wind gusts? That's the real deal right there. Woo. So the boys here found somebody's buck that they apparently couldn't find, unfortunately. Nice little buck. Good little rack on him. Good job, boys. Let's get back to hiking. We got some miles to cover. Too bad we ain't got a hacksaw with us. That daggone rack would look real good up above the garage when we get a garage built again, since Dylan burned the last one down, Dylan. Dylan said, Daddy, you wanted some charcoal. I made you charcoal. It was funny when you said it, huh? Yeah. Look at that there. They found a buck. Good job. Here we go. Woo-woo. Up yonder is the first incline. Substantial incline, at least. Oh, nice little creek, pecan, tomato, whatever you want to call it. We're just hiking up a storm here. By our calculations, I think we've gone 4 miles. Oh, heck yeah, dude, that's a pretty creek. Super cool, dude. Yeah, man, there's a grill down there, there's a creek. Hey, who wants to go polar plunging? I mean, let's do it. Don't jump off the bridge. That's so pretty. Dylan, why are you gonna push him so far down? Hey, so I guarantee y'all, at some point they will put rails, like safety rails along this, so people don't do what you dummies are doing and fall in and get hurt and then try to sue the state. So get up. Let's be wise. Man, that's pretty. Wow. It's kind of like at Natural Bridge in Red River Gorge. They have the signs up that say, don't get close to the edge. This many people every year die. And people still get near the edge.
Womp, womp.
Womp. Oh, dude, there's some signs blown off down there, man. Ah. Oh, oh. Y'all, this is a lot of fun. I'm having a good time. This is an adventure. This is an adventure, y'all. You want Alex to go down through between the rails there? Heck nah, brother. Just drop down right there. Go down. Doop, doop, doop. They're going to get me them signs. Hey. Well, I thought those were train signs, but apparently there are no trespassing signs that are just face down on the ground. That's not really going to do it. Good thing we're good people and we stay on the trail. Let's go. Girls, y'all look like little angels with the snow falling on you. My little angels. Them boys is getting up here. It's beautiful out here, y'all. The wind is whipping. The snow is flying. And we're having a fantastic time. So they think there's a coon in here, and I've told them to leave it alone. But instead, they're gonna poke the bear, so to speak. I'm just laughing. I'm waiting to see one of them split out of there and take off running. It's gonna be looking like the Three Stooges. Larry, Curly, and Moe. Dylan, you gonna get in there and find it? No. You gonna turn it into your pet? Sophie is going in. Sophie called BS on the boys. The boys tried to tell her something. They're growling at them and said it was a coon. And Sophie's like, "There ain't nothing in here, guys." And it stuck my whole head in there. Come on, y'all. We still got a lot of miles to go to tacos. They said never back down, never what? Never give up. What'd you get, Dylan? What's y'all souvenirs y'all got? Not the Dr. Pepper.
We got some of these.
Woohoo! These are old insulators, y'all.
They made in the USA.
Made in the USA. That means it's the good stuff. Mm-hmm.
Good stuff.
Built to. Genesis was too lazy to carry hers, so she laid it back down. She left it for the next person that comes.
Here, you can walk mine.
It's so pretty out here. We just cutting up, having fun, enjoying the beautiful weather, y'all. Genesis, I like that face. This is a great face you made. It's beautiful out here, y'all. Sketchy stuff going on. Sketchy. I don't recommend it, Alex.
You don't recommend going to temps?
You see how that bad boy is wobbling? That's old and rusty, dude. Well, go on up then, by God. If you're going to do it, go big or go home. I wouldn't have been getting my big old ass on that. I mean, butt, sorry, you two. On that there rusted out thing, but hey. Wow. Boy, that ladder getting narrower, ain't it?
I wouldn't go up there, Alex. Get down.
These kids remind me of myself at their age.
Yeah, what are you doing your age?
Stuff like this.
Drive on those two poles up there.
He wants to get up there so he can be a signal man. That's what that's for. That's a signal man box, buddy.
I'm scared of heights.
Hey, Alex, you want to know a secret? So am I. I still climb and jump off stuff. I really am afraid of heights. Like when I was standing on top of Jump Rock at Red River Gorge, I was like, "Ooh, that's a long way down."
Someone take my picture.
He wants a picture up there. What goes up must come down. That's what I always say. Alex is going to come down, and then apparently Dylan wants to be a signal man too.
I'm kind of scared of heights, though.
I know, that's why you go on the roof all the time. Here he goes. So they had a rope tied to that bad boy going down to this here box. So I wonder what the rope's job was. They must have had a switch in there. They were tugging or something. I don't know. Only speculation, folks. We're just out here hiking along. Y'all, hey, check this out. Since we got a moment here and we're stopped, y'all see this purple stuff? Dude, I am not joking when I tell you there are miles and miles of wild raspberry plants along this trail. So warm summer months, y'all, we're going to have fresh snacks the whole time.
Someone lives here.
Somebody lives in there? Somebody made that into a shelter? I mean, it looked like somebody put all them limbs up on her. Let's go look.
There's nothing, you can't really get it. You gotta crawl.
Somebody made a bed up in there. You know, we're exploring, y'all. Heck yeah, man, I see it, dude. Oh yeah, they got a pad and yep. Hey, so we're not the pioneers we thought we was. The homeless beat us to it. Hey, y'all, did you notice that? I noticed it. You see that portable outhouse he's got in there? That's what the bucket is. Boy, y'all didn't watch Saturday Night Live, Homie the Clown, did you? Boy, that's awesome. Somebody sure did make that into a daggum shelter.
Maybe they were just walking the whole thing and camped out for the night.
Oh, they got some pads in there. Oh, hey, Dylan. How you doing, Pickle? They got some pads in there and everything to sleep on.
Guys, we are currently in this guy's area. Here's the padding we were talking about. And up here he just has a coat, a cigarette bud, and a pillow. I'm sure he like takes that down and wraps himself up in it. There's lip gloss, some candy. He's got a lot of batteries and water bottles. Yeah, a little something.
Merry Christmas, brother.
Merry Christmas, brother. I'm gonna set it right here.
Put his blanket so it don't get messed up.
I will. Set it right there. Hopefully he sees it.
There's a fox, y'all. It just ran off the trail up there. It's right up there. Fox on the trail. You never know what kind of wildlife you'll see out here. That was a big fat fox too, man. Woohoo! I had to stop so I could zoom in clearly. Because these phones are not as good as Apple tells us they are. And this new camera is not improved, I'll tell you that much too. Golly. What's this guy doing? What are you doing, brother?
It's not moving, bro.
Oh, y'all was trying to knock it off? Why would you try to tear up something so beautiful? Dylan, so your smart self was like, let me walk in front of this in case it does actually fall off.
Yeah.
Teenage boys, y'all. Teenage boys in their natural element right here. Oh, look at him. Yeah, that's how somebody's going to get hurt. Let's go. I want tacos and not busted toes.
Alex Davis, come on.
Let's leave them, girls. We got more sense than them boys. Sayonara, mijo. Boy, the wind's blowing so hard that green tree up there is shaking. It's like a dancing Christmas tree. You're doing awesome, Sophie. So the wind is whipping pretty good. It's 18 to 22 mile an hour wind gusts. It's 31 degrees outside, but it says it feels like 20. And we are roughly guesstimating here 7 miles into our hike. The kids is getting hungry. They're ready for some tacos. We'll be there before long, y'all. We made it to the outskirts of Salem. We're just not familiar with what route this train track takes. This train track used to be an active train track, and they've pulled it and are making Indiana's longest trail out of this. It's gonna be awesome. I was telling the kids I can't wait for it to be paved so we can get out here on our bikes and rip and run up and down it on the weekends. It's gonna be so good for the community that likes to be healthy. We are stoked and grateful for this healthy option near our home. A little bit of snow going on. You got a shoosh? You got a shoosh? Snow's falling. I like hiking in the snow. What are you doing, G?
Agua.
Bro, I'll get you a whole gallon back there. I stashed it for him at the crossing, and she didn't want none of them. She's gonna take mine now. kids, I tell you. Hiking with kids. Oh, wow. That's high quality right there. That's that high quality Eskimo H2O.
It's okay.
I like it. Look, it's getting in my beard.
Oh, wait, put some of that stuff in your shoes.
You never know what these kids are going to find out here on the hiking trail. Mm-hmm.
There's a bunch of bones right here.
Oh, yeah, somebody lost the whole cow over here. Yeah. Lots of cow bones down in the ditch. Well, let's go get some tacos and quit stopping so much. You gonna carry your new friend all the way?
You stop 4 times because your ankle.
No, not my ankle. Twice. And because these dad-burn Keens have gave out and have now rubbed blisters on the back of both heels. Keen, I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. I used to love your boots. And these last 2 pair I've gotten from y'all just ain't up to snuff. I don't know what's going on, but I'm done. I won't be buying no more Keens, unfortunately. Oh, that wind's kicking up, ain't it, Sophie? Oh, that's that look. That's that look, y'all. She was ready to be at the taco place 2 hours ago. She didn't realize it was going to be a good 4.5, 5 hour walk. Alex, you're going to fall in. And this is why. Can't take you kids nowhere. Dylan, stop. You bad kid, you throwing stuff off the railroad track. So my wife sent me a map about 15 minutes ago, I think. That said we had 1 hour and 12 minutes to go. She's tracking us. So she's right. We got a little less than 1 hour, guys, to warm tacos and margaritas. So we've made it to the bypass, the Salem bypass. These kids are doing great. I said, you guys are doing awesome. Oh yeah, so 3 of the kids are hiking in Chuck Taylor's, and 1 is hiking in regular old cowboy boots.
Our feet are doing a lot better than yours.
Yeah, their feet's doing better than mine. The Keens gave out. They sure let me down.
I haven't been cold at all. The coldest thing I like my arm.
Your
And I
arms?
have 2 hoodies on.
Yeah. I offered you my gloves. All right, she's getting hungry, more like hangry, y'all. But when we get there, they will be able to say that they are the first people to have done this trail from Pekin to Salem. Woo! Yeah. Tell you what, guys, this will be a lot more enjoyable once this is paved. These rocks after about 12 miles are getting a pain in the neck on your feet. What are you doing, Dylan? Oh, the wind ain't gonna blow you off. You ain't that light, buddy. You got up there. Alex said, I'm good. And he's skinnier than you. Why don't you straddle the 2? Oh no, Sophie is gone, y'all. She is like, tacos. It's gonna be some pretty scenery along the trail. Pretty scenery. These kids. So Dylan here has an awful sense of direction and has been getting Alex worked up the whole time with how lost Dylan would be. Dylan thinks we're in a whole nother town than we're supposed to be. Oh man. Woo-wee. There's the train track. We're cheating, y'all. We're walking through the back of a parking lot so that we can get on a little bit of asphalt because everybody's dogs is barking. Everybody's dogs are barking. The wind has kicked up quite a bit more. And the temperature is definitely dropping. But the good thing is we're not that far from the Mexican restaurant, y'all. We're Honestly, I'd probably say less than a mile. We're probably less than a mile from that restaurant. So we're got the end in sight. That's what we got. Big machines, dude. They were talking about these forks right here. Look at these dudes. Holy smokes. But yeah, so we hopped off that gravel for a minute, give our feet a rest. The wind is crazy. The kids' spirits are higher now that we're off the gravel. And right there's Jilted Cow, and up above is Tumbleweed. So we are not far, y'all. We're gonna stay the course. Stay the course. Man, this wind is serious. So right there, y'all, is the fairgrounds, the Salem Fairgrounds. There's my kiddos. And we are walking into Salem. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. We're getting there. Little by little, we're getting there. It's not very far to go now. Not very far at all. Their spirits are lifted by the dag. Yeah, we are. Walnut Street, yeah. Their spirits are lifted by seeing the town. No, it's one more up. We're going at that one up there. Alex was close.
You're setting the direction. Stop. That's a baseball field over there.
Yeah, the baseball field, Dylan.
I never thought you'd be a smart man.
Yeah, that's a good thing, buddy. I'm just joking. You're a genius, Dylan. You're a genius. Hey, there's the cheese factory chimney. We're just walking along. What we're about to do is get on this road right here, cut up over that hill, and we'll be in downtown Salem, ready to throw down on some grub. Yeah. Show y'all that old Salem Creamery chimney I was talking about real quick. I'm not quite sure how old that chimney is, but it's been there a long time. That park right there is an excellent park to sleigh down when it's snowing, just so you know. If you're ever in Salem, Indiana, go check it out. Let's turn and go up this hill, y'all. So there y'all go. There's that chimney a lot closer up. And we're about to turn and head through historic Salem. Some of these beautiful houses. Heck yeah. Here we go. Here we go. It's a steep hill, as you can tell. This is interesting. I have no clue what it is. I don't know what these dudes are. It's wild. Kids are excited. They saw Miss Shanks telling her about their adventure today.
Go get you some tacos, y'all earned it.
Yeah, we did. It's a long walk. Have a good one. Cobblestone road, y'all. Check out the sidewalk. You don't see many sidewalks like that anymore. That is old school. I love it. Oh man.
This is Indiana for you.
Oh, is that from Dylan? They talking about this road apple up here, y'all.
It looks more like Edie.
Hey, listen, don't step in that, okay? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Salem, Indiana.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's cool though.
I didn't know
that's
It's a really old house. Yeah. Those right there are super cool. Genesis, come here. So you see those stars up there?
Yeah.
Those stars actually work as like a nut, and they hold a massive rod that goes through the building, and there's a star on the other side. That is to keep the building from falling apart. Yep, it provides stability for it. Genesis likes architecture, so it's an opportunity to point stuff like that out to her. All right, y'all, let's go. We got it. There's the courthouse up ahead, y'all. And that right there is the Mexican restaurant. We made it.
No!
He's like, we eat up top, guys. That's funny. Man, you guys did awesome. Woohoo! All right, y'all. So we made it. You tell her quiet down. This little grumpy lady right here, boy. She's on a mission. She's hungry. We made it to the Mexican restaurant, y'all, so we're going to order some food. You guys, I'm so proud of y'all. I really am. Sophie is being mean to me, though. Grand adventure. You guys, what are y'all going to get? Y'all going to get some margaritas? Alright, they're going to get a more cajete. I don't know what that is. I've never even heard of it. Anyhow, we end every video, y'all, by saying until next time.
Keep dreaming.
It's the quietest they've been all day when the food comes, y'all. Look at that, boy. What in the world do you fellers order? Genesis and Herd. High-end El Maguey Arroz con Pollo.